Multidimensional poverty isn't just about income. It reflects deprivations in health, education, and living standards that affect people's quality of life. The Global Multidimensional Poverty Index, developed by the UNDP and Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative, measures poverty through 10 indicators: health, child mortality, nutrition, education, years of schooling, school attendance, living standards, access to clean water, sanitation, electricity, cooking fuel, and housing. As of 2024, over 1.1 billion people are living in acute poverty. Countries like India, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Nigeria, and Democratic Republic of the Congo account for nearly half of the world's poor. Child poverty is especially severe, with 584 million children in extreme poverty. Most of the global poor are concentrated in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia, and nearly 40% of them live in conflict-affected areas. India's Niti Aayog has its own MPI to address these challenges within the country. Understanding multidimensional poverty helps us to see poverty as a multifaceted issue, calling for comprehensive solutions beyond income